Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing this sofa set from IKEA for dolls. So it's called huset and it's for 3+. Let's unbox in 3, 2, 1. So guys, I got it all unboxed. So this is how it looks. There's a nice sofa, bookcase, some table and a chair, and it also comes with a mat. It's perfect for Barbie dolls and other stuff. Anyways, I'll tell you how much this is. It's like the price in India is like 1,200. I think, like, I'm not sure. It's called huset and it's 3+. So that's today's unboxing. See you later. So bye and see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button.